Hello guys, 10 cheap and easy ways to level up your home office. Little touches from cards wraps to house plants can make a big difference in improving your remote work life. Our simple, inexpensive tips can help you get started. If you started working from home due to the COVID-19 pandemic, you may still be uncertain whether or how long your remote work situation will last. Even if you are working in person some or most of the time now, are you sure that won't change? It's frustrating and confusing not to have hard answer, but it can also leave you wondering how much time, effort, and money you are should invest in creating a nice workspace at home. You can buy all sort of things for a home office from to the particle, but really you don't have to spend a lot to get big improvement in your comfort and happiness. Making some simple and inexpensive tweak to your existing setup can greatly improve it. These 10 suggestions for making your home office better don't take much. Most of them you can do immediately, and some are free if you are an employee of an organization that support remote work ask if they are there. Budget for home office equipment to that you can get a few items reimbursed either way. These tips will make your home workstation better almost immediately. Hook up your headphones. A pair of headphones can cost anywhere from about $12 to hundred or even thousands of dollars depending on what you need and want, but they are a worthwhile item to own when working remotely. Even an expensive set of headphones with a built-in microphone is a good investment because it noticeably improve how you sound to other on video calls. If you can spend a little more money, noise cancelling headphones can tamp down sound big, comfortable. Our air headphones can make it seem like you have more privacy than you are actually do and help you focus. The nice thing about a headphone is you might get just as much use from them outside of working hours as during. Who would not want to decent set of headphones for music, podcast, audiobooks, and travel? Use a back pillow. You don't need expensive office chair at home, as it is easy to adopt any standard chair to be a more comfortable with a simple back pillow. Look for an inexpensive carved from $25 to $85 for your chair, or save a few bucks by trying something you already have around the house, like a small decorative pillow or rolled up towel. Having a Rickard's lumbar sports is just one piece of the ergonomic puzzle. Be sure to look at some other tricks to make your home office. Raise your monitor or laptop. When you look at your computer, your eyes should be nearly level with the top of the screen. Commonly, the screen or monitor is too low. That show how you wind up craning your neck. There are two simple solutions. If you are fortunate enough to have a monitor or desktop computer in your home office, add a few books under the base to raise it to a comfortable height. With laptop, you need a little more equipment. A laptop stand, also sometimes called a riser, and an external keyboard and mouse. The stand should add a few inches of height and tilt to don't type on laptop keyboards while the device is one stand, as it could other injuries to your wrist and shoulder.